Happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope your week is going well. If not, just remind yourself tomorrow is hump day. To start off the week, I've decided to fill you in on 10 fun and amazing health facts about the delicious fruit, watermelon. So first fun fact of the day, watermelons keep our body hydrated. Watermelons are in season during the summer, which is when our bodies begin to get dehydrated due to the excessive heat and sun exposure. And as 92% of watermelon is water and electrolytes, eating watermelon replenishes the water and minerals that are lost in sweat, thus keeping you hydrated. Number 2, watermelon protects your body from UV rays. Watermelons contain a carotenoid pigment called lycopene. Lycopene provides protection against UV rays which damage skin and can cause diseases. Number 3, watermelon aids in eye health. Watermelons are chocked insanely full of vitamin A and beta-carotene, which gives the fruit its red color. Vitamin A, which is one of the most important vitamins when it comes to eye health, helps to provide immunity, protects the skin and mucous membranes, and protects the eye from different infections. However, for maximum eye health, be sure to eat 100 grams of this delicious fruit every day or as often as possible. Number 4, watermelon aids in weight loss. Yay, right? As previously mentioned, 92% of watermelon is water and electrolytes, making it a very low-calorie snack. Its sugar content is also very low compared to many other fruits, but the best part about watermelon's aid in weight loss is that it is a delicious, healthy, and hydrating go-to snack that should not make you feel guilty for eating it. Number 5, watermelon can help prevent cancer. As watermelon is an excellent source of the strong antioxidant vitamin C, as well as many other strong antioxidants, watermelon has been shown to help combat the formation of free radicals, which are known to cause cancer. In addition, lycopene intake has been linked to a decreased risk of developing prostate cancer. Number 6, watermelon reduces inflammation. Watermelon contains a very important nutrient called choline, and choline aids our bodies with sleep, muscle movement, memory, and our ability to learn, but it also helps to maintain the structure of cellular membranes, assists in the absorption of fat, and reduces chronic inflammation. Number 7, watermelon reduces muscle soreness. Watermelon and its juice have been shown to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time following exercise in athletes. Many believe this to be the result of a specific amino acid found in watermelon. Number 8, watermelon can prevent asthma. The risk of developing asthma has been found to be considerably lowered in those people who consume a large amount of certain nutrients, one of them being vitamin C, which is extremely plentiful in watermelon. Number 9, watermelon helps with blood pressure. In a study published by the American Journal of Hypertension, it was found that supplements of watermelon extract significantly reduced ankle blood pressure, brachial blood pressure, and carotid wave reflection. So if any of you suffer from blood pressure problems or have a history of them in your family, watermelon might be a good mild treatment/preventative method to look into. Number 10, watermelon is great for your skin. Possibly the most beneficial for some people out there, watermelon has been found to be great for your skin because, once again, of its vitamin content, specifically vitamin A this time. Vitamin A is required for the production of sebum, which keeps hair moisturized and promotes the growth of all bodily tissues, including those of skin and hair. In addition, vitamin C intake prompts the building and maintenance of collagen, which provides structure for your skin. So basically, if you want to lose weight, have radiant skin, and fantastic eyesight, eat watermelon. Well, it might not be quite that easy, but regardless, watermelon contains a myriad of different and beneficial nutrients and vitamins.
Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own watermelon juice without using a juicer. So for this recipe, you're going to need a blender and a mason jar, as well as a large bowl and some type of fine strainer. I have a metal one, and finally some fresh watermelon. So this is super simple. You're just going to fill your blender up with the fresh watermelon pieces and then attach the lid and blend. And the watermelon has enough liquid in it where you can just blend it by itself and it will form a juice type consistency. Then you're just going to pour this juice through the strainer into your large bowl to separate the fiber of the watermelon from the watermelon juice. And you're just going to repeat this process until you've used up all of your watermelon. If you have a bigger blender, you could probably do this in one step, but I only have this smaller one, so I have to do it a few times. Then you're going to stir the remaining juice and pulp that's left in the strainer because this helps get the remaining liquid out. And you'll have to stir for a while, and you may even want to mash the pulp into the strainer to get more juice out. But at the end, you'll just be left with a thick pink mush. That's basically the watermelon fiber and a few seeds. So just throw that out and then open your mason jar and pour the remaining juice in. And this is actually a good recipe to do if you have a bad watermelon, so you don't have to eat the mushy watermelon texture, but you can still make delicious and sweet watermelon juice. Then all you have to do is pop in a straw and you're all set. If you want to get extra fancy, I like adding fresh lime juice to mine, or you could also blend in fresh mint as well. But that's it, guys. It's super simple, and I hope you try it because it's so delicious. Thanks.